Hello guys, this is Harish Nagar and today I am going to talk about Jhumpa Lahiri. Guys, Jhumpa Lahiri was born in 1967 and she is currently alive. She is first South Asian to get Pulitzer Prize. So remember this thing guys, that she left an important mark in the history of Indian writing because she is the first South Asian to receive Pulitzer Award. Now in this lecture I shall be talking about 4 works of Jhumpa Lahiri. First work is Interpreter of Melodies. This was published in the year 1999. It is a collection of short stories and it contains 9 short stories. This particular work received Pulitzer Prize and it deals with Indian immigrants in America and how they survive in America and what challenges they face when they go to America. So it is talking about Indian people immigrating to America. The next work is a beautiful story, The Namesake. The Namesake was published in the year 2003 and I am sure that you must have seen the movie made on this book, and the movie was directed by Meera Nair and it has Tabbu in it. So it is beautiful story talking about the hardship and struggle faced by an Bengali couple when they immigrate to United States and they start to accustom themselves to the life that is very different from their own. So the story talk about Ashok and Ashima. They are couple who leave Calcutta to settle in Cambridge in Massachusetts, that means in the US, and now they are new to America. So Ashima struggle through language and cultural barriers, as well as she fear that how is she going to deliver her first child alone, because if she was in India then definitely there were so many people who could have taken care during her delivery or during her pregnancy, but now she is in a completely different country. Now Bengali culture calls that a child should have 2 names, a pet name and domain name. Domain name is a good name that needs to be used in public. Now Ashok suggested that the name of their child should be Gogol, which he named in honor of the famous Russian author Nikolai Gogol. So Nikolai Gogol is a very great Russian author and he wanted his son to be named before this Russian author, and he wanted Gogol to be baby's pet name, but then they used this name on the birth certificate. So the author described next the hardship faced by Gogol, because when Gogol entered into the school he finds that all the people they make fun of his name because his name is very funny. They start calling him Google at school. Why? Because Google is the name which is there on the birth certificate. So even though Ashok intended that the name should be the pet name for the kid, still since the name was published on the birth certificate, the school people said that they are going to call him Gogol. And when he turns 14, he starts to hate this name. Actually, his public name was Nikhil, but the school administrators they intervened on the behalf and gave a note or pinned on his shirt saying that he would be called Google at school. Continuously in the novel, we have Jhumpa Lahiri stating that all the people they should try to connect with the story, because the pathos that we can feel in Ashok and Ashima's life is very similar to the pathos that a person would feel if he go to a completely different land. And this pathos or this emotional touch which is there in the story forces every reader to connect emotionally with the story, specifically with how Google's name came about as a tragic incident in the life of Ashima and Ashok. So that was the story of Namesake, written by Jhumpa Lahiri, published in the year 2003. Now guys, the next work of Jhumpa Lahiri is Unaccustomed Earth. This was published in the year 2008. It is a collection of short stories and the title has been taken from Nathaniel Hawthorne's work The Scarlet Letter. So the story depicts the life of Indian American characters and how they deal with the mixed culture environment. And it also talk about 3 generations and relationship between father and the daughter Ruma and son Akash. So the name of the son is Akash and the daughter is Ruma, and how they deal with their father. So this is particularly a collection of short stories. It contains 5 stories and 1 short novella. So remember, Unaccustomed Earth contains 5 short stories and 1 short novella. Finally guys, we come on to the last work of Jhumpa Lahiri, which is The Lowland. This was published in the year 2013. It talk about two Bengali brothers. Now one brother is in India participating in the Naxalite movement and the other brother researches about several things in United States. So one brother is living in United States whereas the other brother is participating in the Naxalite movement in India. So it talk about the divergent paths that the two brothers take. So as you can see, we have talked about 4 works of Jhumpa Lahiri, and all these works have reference to America and how Indian immigrants faces challenges when they live in completely distinct land. So let's have a recap. The 4 works are Interpreter of Melodies, published in 1999. Next is Namesake, published in 2003, Unaccustomed Earth, published in 2008, and The Lowland, published in 2013. So that's it for today's lecture. Thank you guys.